Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus, Bastada. In today's class, I discuss about the individuals and organizations took the initiative to propagate the need for birth control. In 1922, Indian Birth Control Society formed in Delhi by Gopalji Ahluwalia. In 1923, Birth Control League started in Bombay by N.S. Phadke, and 1929 Dr. A.P. Pillai founded the Wives Clinic in Solapur. 1930 Birth Control Clinic at the Mysore and Bangalore, and in the 1949 Family Planning Association of India. First is the contraceptive method. The scientifically tested and reliable contraception methods are available. It helps a couple to avoid unwanted pregnancies. The individuals or only they are decide best and acceptable for them. The family planning or contraceptive method prevents the sperm to fuse with the ova released and avoid a pregnancy. There are the various birth control methods, behavioral methods, natural method, chemical methods, mechanical method, hormonal method, and the terminal method, post-conceptual methods. First is the behavioral method. The absistence, this method is 100% effective. The amount to suppression of natural physiological instinct, the which may cause the unpredictable changes and the nervous breakdown. This method is not suitable for common people. Next is the coitus interruptus. It is oldest method of involuntary fertility control. The male withdraws before ejaculations. This prevents deposition into the vagina. This method is limited appeal and the practical. So these two methods are the behavior methods, and also there are the safe period or the calendar methods. This method based on the ovulation occur from 12 to 16 days before menstruation begins. The couple should avoid intercourse from the 10th to 18th day of the menstrual cycle counting from the 1 day of the menstrual period. This method is not reliable because the menstrual cycle may vary. Only the educated and responsible couple having high motivation and cooperation can use this method effectively. The safe and risky period for family planning by calendar method for 28 regular menstrual cycles. So day 1 to 5 is the menstrual day, 6 to 19 the safe period, 10 to 18 is the unsafe period, and 19 to 28 the safe periods in which the conception cannot be occur. Next is the naturally family planning methods. So in today's class, I discuss about the natural and we can also say that the behavior method for the birth control. In next class, I discuss about the natural family planning methods. Thank you for watching.